I ain't tryna bring you down, but for real, you might as well give up now. Hold that crown. My life been good and bad and all around. The more things I lost, the more I found. One thing I taught myself to.
Before doing revamp, I had been to almost all gyms in Sagar. I checked out every gym, and then I zeroed on this revamp.
Really agree with that wife thing which you say, because I'm there for 4 years
Exactly,
now,
exactly.
and I've seen a lot of people in the
Correct.
gym.
Correct.
So that connection is very important. Yeah, you should look forward to going there. That's very important.
Hello, yes. Welcome to yet another interesting show, chat show rather, on the Connect Television, the Connect TV. Today we have a revamp fitness team with us. Revamp as to, revamping you physically, mentally, etc.
Challenges during these times are that specifically because there are a lot of people using the equipments at the same time. So they are reluctant to use it if it is not sanitized. So what we do is we sanitize it after every use of one member using an equipment, we sanitize it.
Okay.
So now they are comfortable. Also, we have also put some barricades between the treadmills. No, there is no connection between two treadmills or two maybe a elliptical or a cycle as such.
No,
So now they are comfortable working on it.
No, that is basically you're taking care of the hygiene part of it, protocol and hygiene. What I'm asking is mentally, people are returning to gym after a long break. So are they able to recoup or get back to action fast? Is there any challenge there?
Now when they are coming back, after this period which they are coming back, most of them have gained weight.
Yeah. By how much?
Yeah. So could be say around 5 to 8 kgs, or some are more than 10 kgs also.
Okay.
So their goals before was to get fit. Now they are coming to get weight loss.
Okay.
Now the goals have changed to weight loss.
Okay.
So that is one of the challenges which we have to take care of as far as the clients are concerned.
So do you also then advise them on a diet, etc., along with physical fitness?
Yes, we do give them a diet advice. As we have the dietitian also here. We also provide them with a different routine for weight loss.
Sir, the age group we are looking for is for 18 to 35 years of age.
Okay.
And it's like we want the youngster crowds and also the senior citizens also, sir. Because the senior citizens right now in Navi Mumbai, so the senior citizen group are very high because see, they go out and they walk. So what happens if they come over here? So they have a proper trainer, as Anthony sir is there with us, and many 10 to 15 more certified trainers are there in our gym. So they train them very well, sir. We have walk-ins also. So we run very much good program, sir. In that program, sir, people come and people promote our business also, and they because we provide a good hygienic things over here and quality, sir. We prefer quality things, not a quantity. We prefer into quality things.
Okay.
So prefer this revamp fitness.
But I would like to add one thing is that during these challenging times, it has been difficult for us to get clients.
Okay.
Slowly, because of the timings of the government which has put in the restrictions,
Yeah. Now
so
it
it's
is slow.
very difficult to get more clients. It's been a little tough for this business, very tough for the business to go ahead.
Correct.
Okay, the government should have some relaxations so that at least people start coming in and getting fitter and less burden on the government for the health business as such.
Yes.
So the fee structure depends upon the seasons. Like what we think is the age group right now in this because of this pandemic situation, everyone's pockets are not so much high and they cannot spend more. So what we think is having not a big fee structure, because of getting a big fee structure and then losing some clients and not getting into a proper fit. So what they will prefer having a less fee structure. We prefer a good, like normal fee structure we have, because there's a middle class over here.
Yeah.
People living over here, sir.
Okay. So you say it's an affordable free structure.
Yeah, affordable fee
Affordable.
structure.
Affordable and competitive enough so that people can come in and get fit.
I'm a pediatrician and
Okay.
I've been practicing since more than 14 years in Kharghar itself.
Okay.
So I'm associated with Revamp since more than 4 years now,
Okay.
and I'm regularly going to the gym. And Vishal and Mitesh are very cooperative, very supportive. They have a very good team over there actually in the gym with good
And
trainers and
are you happy with the kind of training that you are getting there?
yes, we get personal attention actually.
Okay.
And whatever is the need of the client, like many people come for different issues like fat loss or for strength training, and some of them are interested more into functional training and improving their health in general. So accordingly they give good guidance there, because after exercising body में जो happy hormones या endorphins रहते हैं, they are the good hormones. So
Okay.
they get secreted usually after a workout. It doesn't matter cardio करो आप strength training करो or anything. So that itself is a de-stressor, and then that improves your stamina or endurance the whole day. मतलब
Okay.
it's like physically तो आप fit हो, but even your mental performance increases the whole day. मतलब even in your professional life, it helps you because your mood is also good, your activity improves, and definitely it's a de-stressor. It's a stress buster actually.
So I've been to many gyms, like more than like 15, 20 gyms in my lifetime so
Alright.
far.
Okay.
And I'll tell you honestly, I'll admit this, that this is by far the best gym I've been to.
Mm-hmm.
This,
In what way?
sir, the vibe, sir. Vibe is very important. When I come from a film industry, I coming from this Hindi film industry as an actor, it's very important for me to join a gym which is where I feel connected, where like if I'm not at peace mentally, because
Yeah.
going to a gym is not about external body strength, it's about mental strength. It's about your mind should get connected to that place, that gym, and that's when it counts.
And then that
Sir,
pulls you in, So I definitely agree with that vibe thing which you say, because I'm
I'm
there since 4 years
exactly,
now,
exactly.
and I've seen a lot of people in
Correct.
the gym.
Correct.
That's
Great,
what.
great.
So that
Yeah.
connection is very important. Yeah, you should look forward to going there. That's very important.
Actually, yeah, sir. Actually, before joining Revamp, I had been to almost all gyms in Kharghar. I checked out every gym, and then I zeroed on this Revamp.
My experience at Revamp has been great. We have great qualified and certified trainers. They are really supportive, and the level of hygiene maintained here is amazing. And fitness should not just be habit, but it should be a lifestyle of one.
Sir, I would like to say that get fit, strong and motivated, sir. This would be my line. So I think people should admire this and they should follow this line, and they should like come to the point where fitness is the main role, because health is wealth, sir.
Great. Health is well fit. Yeah.